Hello students, Namaste. How are you all? I hope everyone is fine. So students, as you know that in the previous class we already started the chapter Be My Multiple and I Will Be Your Fraction. So today we will continue the class and we did some questions previous day. So we will continue the questions from workbook. Okay. So as you know that the chapter name is Be My Multiple and I Will Be Your Factor. So you have to you need to know what is multiple. So what is multiple? The meaning of multiple is the product result of one number multiplied by another one. Okay. So if I ask you to determine the multiple of 3, then you need to do like this. Suppose you have to determine the multiple of 3. Multiple of 3. So you just need to write the table of 3 like this. 1 into 3, 3, 2 into 3, 6, 3 into 3, 9, and 4 into 3, 12, and so on. So that these are the multiples of 3. You have to determine multiples like that. So in your workbook, in the page number 50, you have some true false. First one is 29 is multiple of 4 or not. We need to determine that. I will do a few questions for you and the rest of the questions you need to do by yourself as your homework. Okay. As I said, this chapter is included in your next month's exam, the only chapter you have for your exam in October month. So the first question is in true false. 29 is a multiple of 4. 29 is a multiple of 4. This one is true or false, we need to determine. Okay. So how to determine it? We just need to write like this. 1 into 4, 4, 2 into 4, 8, 3 into 4, 12, 4 into 4, 16, 5 into 4, 20, 6 into 4, 24, 7 into 4, 28, and last one 8 into 4, that is 32. Okay, so the question is the multiple of 4, 29 is present or not. Okay, so as you can see, between 28 and 32 there will be 29, but there is no 29 between 28 and 32 in the multiple of 4. So that means 29 is not a multiple of 4. So the statement is false. Okay. So like that we have 4 more questions. I will take another example, another question actually, and then rest of the question need to be done by you. So question number B from your workbook, true false. This one is also a true false. 48 is a multiple of 48 is a multiple of 8. We need to determine this one is true or false. We will follow the same rule as we follow the previous in the previous one. Okay, just write 1 into 8, 8, 2 into 8, 16, 24, 4 into 8, 32, 5 into 8, 40, 6 into 8,
46,
48. Okay, so the question is 48 is multiple of 8. Is it true or false? You can see 48 is present in the table of 8, so that the statement is true. Okay, you can see these are the table of 8. These are the multiple of 8, and here is the number 48. Okay, so that 48 is a multiple of 8. That means the statement is true. So like that, you have 3 more questions. Okay, you have to write you have to determine the statement is true or false. Okay, so I will write the homework for you. Let me write the homeworks. Question number C. 86 is a multiple of 9. True or false? You need to determine this. D. 35 is a multiply of 6. True or false? And the last one, number E, 98. 98 is a multiple of 12. So these 3 questions are your homework, okay, for the next class. Now we will answer the following. Okay, let me rub it first and then we will start. You can take a pause to write these questions for your homework. Just take a pause, or you can see the video again and again, because this class will be uploaded in our YouTube channel. Okay, so the next question is page number 51 from your workbook, Mathematics. The first question is, all the multiples of 4 that are greater than 16 but less than 40. All the multiples of 4 that are greater than greater than 16 but less than 40. Okay, so in this question we just need to determine the multiples of 4, and then we have to write the numbers that are lying between 16 and 40. Okay, so first of all, the first thing that we need to do is determining the multiples of 4, like that. 1 into 4, 4, 2 into 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32, 9 into 4, 36, and last one 10 into 4, 40. So the question is, all the multiples that are greater than 16 but less than 40. That means the number should be lying between 16 and 40. So where is 16? There is 16, and these numbers are greater than 16 and up to that less than 40. That means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These 5 multiples are the answer of this question. Okay, so the answer is, I will write it here. The answer is 20, 24, 28, 32 and 36, because these 5 numbers are less than greater than 16 and less than 40, and also these numbers are multiple of 4. Okay, so we will do 2 more questions from this chapter today, and I will leave a single question for you for homework. Okay, so students, here is another question, that is question number B. So the question is, all the even multiples of 5 between the number 1 to 30. So in that case, you have to determine, first of all you have to determine the multiples of 5, and then you have to determine which number is even between the 1 to 30. So let's do it. First of all, 1 into 5, that is 5. 2 into 5, 10. 3 into 5, 15. 4 into 5, 20. 5 into 5, 25. And last, 6 into 5, that is 30. Okay, so these numbers are between 1 to 30. Okay, and these numbers are multiple of 5. Okay, these numbers, and we just need to determine which number is even. So as you know that 5 is odd number, 10 is even number, and 15 is also a odd number, 20 is even number, and 25 and 30 is a odd number. So your answer will be 10 and 20, because these 2 numbers are multiples of 5, as well these 2 numbers are between 1 and 30, and also these 2 numbers are even. So the answer of this question is 10 and 20. Okay, so I will do another question and then I will give you your homework. Hello students, so this one is last question from this chapter for today. So the question is, all the multiples of 12 that are less than 60. Okay, so first of all, like the previous one, you just need to determine the multiples of 12 like this: 1 into 12, 12, 2 into 12, 24, 3 into 12, 36, 4 into 12, 48, 5 into 12, 60. As the question, we have to write less than 60. Okay, we have to determine the multiples of 12 that are less than 60. So you can see, when we multiply 12 with 5, we get 60. So we just need to write from 12 to 48. Okay, because these numbers are less than 60 and these numbers are multiple of 12. Okay, so the answer for this question is 12, 24, 36 and the last one is 48. These are the answer of question number C. So last you have a homework. Okay, so students, this is the last question that you have from the page number 51, and this is your homework. Okay, all the multiples of 15, multiples of 15 that are less than 50, that are less than 50. Okay, so this question is exactly like same like the previous one, that is all the multiples of 12 that are less than 60. Both the questions are same, just numbers are different. So try to solve the question by yourself as a homework. So you have 3 homeworks for your next class, that is three true false and 1 answer the following questions. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed today's class, and I will see you in the next class, that is next week, and thank you and take care.